this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an excellent alternative way of receiving international payment in USD, which could be a great replacement for PayPal, Payoneer, and other payment services commonly used for receiving money from international platforms. So if you currently work in the online space, just guys know that the most problem people normally face right here is receiving international payment from wherever they're going to be working. So that is the main reason I decided to create a video literally walking you through a great alternative way of receiving payment right here, especially in Nigeria, because literally most of this platform that claims we could literally receive payment internationally are not literally working right here in Nigeria. So that is why I decided to create a video right here teaching you a platform that you could use to receive payment right here from anywhere in the world. So the name of the platform right here we're going to be looking at is going to be called Skrill. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of setting and verifying your Skrill account to enable you to receive international payment from various online platforms that you may work online. So this video is a must watch for those of you that may be facing the problem of receiving international payment from anywhere in the world, because I'm going to be providing step-by-step guide to create a Skrill account that works globally. And one thing I love about Skrill is that Skrill works with various marketplaces including forex and crypto exchange trading, website holding, and other different marketplace right here anywhere in the world. So if you're thinking PayPal is the only option, then I'm gonna consider you think again, because Skrill is another effective way to start receiving international payment from popular websites like GoDaddy, Shopify, Fiverr, and many other, and also it is widely accepted worldwide. So right here, all you need to do right here to create an account is to head over to the official website by going over to the Google browser. Then you're just gonna be typing in skrill.com. So once you type in skrill.com right here, it's gonna take you straight to this page. You'll be asked to click on the sign up button. Just click on the sign up button right here. Then you're gonna ask to fill your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, then confirm your password. Then once you're done with that right here, they're gonna send an email right here into your inbox. Just make sure you're checking your inbox regularly. So once you're already done verifying your account is gonna be up and running. So that's the reason why I really love Skrill so much, because literally you do not need any form of documentation for you to be able to create an account, because literally it's not like PayPal where you have to provide some documentation requirement, and also it's also gonna have a limitation. But with Skrill right here, everything is free. All you need to do right here is to just provide your email right here, and you're gonna get the full features right here to Skrill. And once you're done creating your account right here, this is how your account is gonna look. You're gonna be seeing these three major transfer option right here where you could use to make various kind of payment. The first option right here is for you to be able to transfer money. So if you're someone that you know that wanna easily transfer money to other Skrill accounts or send money to anyone right here internationally, then you could do this right here by going over to this option right here. So Skrill also allows users to request payment, making it available tools for freelancers and business owners. So using Skrill right here, you'll be able to request payment from your client, from your customers right here anywhere in the world. It also offers withdrawal options like bank transfers, credit card withdrawals. It also supports crypto exchange. So for those of you who would like to exchange or buy crypto, sell cryptocurrency right here, you could also do that using the Skrill platform. So if you know you're a freelancer right here or your business owners, my advice for you right here is to jump over to Skrill right here, because this is a all-in-one solution for all your various financial activities. So if you know you have found the video helpful so far, consider smashing that subscribe button right here and give the video a like. And also, if you know you want me to do a full detailed video right here literally walking you through how you could buy and sell cryptocurrency right here using skrill.com right here, all you need to do right here is to go over to the comment section right here and type in yes, create the video. So if I see a lot of people right here commenting on that video, guys, I'm gonna consider creating the video for you guys. So guys, with Skrill right here, you could now receive, also send money right here from anywhere in the world using Skrill, and also you could accept money from anywhere in the world. So guys, you guys shouldn't be bothering your mind about PayPal or Payoneer or whatever issues related to that right here, because literally right here, Skrill is a very good alternative for all of this website. So you guys should jump right here on Skrill right here, open an account for yourself right here, and start receiving money from international places right here in the world. Like I said, guys, if you know you found the video helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button right here, like the video, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the description, because literally my channel is all about making money online. So if you're someone who is interested in making money online using your phone from other different ways you could use to make money online, I'm gonna consider you smash that subscribe button right here, turn on the notification bell right here, and like the video so you won't miss any of my future video. Peace out.